What is Oanda Minimum Deposit? Oanda, a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker, is unique in its approach to account funding. Most notably, Oanda does not require a minimum deposit for its standard trading accounts, a policy that sets it apart from many competitors in the industry. This zero deposit barrier makes Oanda particularly appealing for beginners or traders who want to test the platform without committing significant funds upfront. For those aiming to access Oanda's core pricing model, offering lower spreads and a commission-based structure, a minimum deposit of $10,000 is necessary. This tiered pricing approach caters to both casual traders and professionals, offering flexibility based on trading needs and capital availability. Oanda's no minimum deposit policy is advantageous for individuals experimenting with Forex or CFDs. It allows users to trade microlots, as small as 1 unit of currency, enabling them to practice strategies or explore market dynamics with minimal risk. This feature positions Oanda as a highly accessible platform for retail traders. The downside to the absence of a minimum deposit is that beginners might overtrade or underestimate the importance of proper risk management, given the ease of access. Moreover, while smaller accounts incur no initial deposit requirement, they are subjected to Oanda's standard spreads, which are higher than those available through the core pricing model. While Oanda itself does not charge deposit fees, payment providers may impose additional charges, and international transactions might incur currency conversion fees. This could lead to unexpected costs, particularly for clients using non-standard funding options. Additionally, while withdrawals are processed efficiently, fees might apply depending on the withdrawal method, such as bank wires, which may not be ideal for smaller accounts. In terms of usability, Oanda provides a user-friendly trading experience through its proprietary platform, Oanda Trade, and integrations with MetaTrader 4 and TradingView. These platforms cater to a wide range of trading preferences, offering advanced tools for experienced traders and intuitive interfaces for newcomers. However, Oanda's educational resources, while informative, are not as extensive as those of some competitors, potentially leaving beginners wanting more guidance. Oanda's zero minimum deposit policy is a double-edged sword. It democratizes access to financial markets, but may lead to casual overtrading or insufficient preparation among new traders. Its regulatory rigor and flexible pricing tiers make it a dependable choice, but the high entry threshold for premium features might deter smaller-scale traders seeking competitive pricing. Ultimately, Oanda's platform is well-suited for traders who value flexibility and reliability, though its benefits are best realized by those willing to invest more significant sums to access enhanced pricing and features. Sources: ForexBrokers.com, FX Bench, Ask Traders.